What's up guys? Today I will be teaching you how to play the game Hardtack Trenchfoot. Hardtack Trenchfoot is a domino based game with cards implemented as well. It's a game based on the Civil War with a focus on the Hardtack Regiment. Step 1 is to open the container. When you open the container, you'll notice cards at the top along with dominoes scattered throughout. Then you will empty out the contents of the container and organize everything into separate piles. Once everything is separated, there should be 4 separate piles consisting of the dominoes, the conditions, and crutches cards, paper clips, which are also the open to attack markers, and the centerpiece. Next, what you'll do is flip all the dominoes upside down so you can't see their colors or numbers, and do the same thing with the conditions and crutches cards so you can only see the blank white space on the back. Once all the cards and the dominoes are flipped over, the first thing you'll do is shuffle up the cards and then pick one from the top. This isn't the only option you could draw. You could also draw the yellow Union and Confederacy Branch Together card, the green Healthy Squadron card, the gray Confederacy card, the blue Union card, the purple Bloodshed card, the Surrender card, along with another Immunity card. However, for this round, we will be going with the Immunity card because that's the one we drew. Next step is to shuffle up all the dominoes. Once all the dominoes are mixed up, we draw 5 of them from the pile. Imagine other players in the game have also drawn their dominoes. Once we have our 5, we are allowed to look at them and analyze what moves we would like to make in creating a chain for the remainder of the game. In this instance, we'll pretend that the double 3 that we drew is the domino that will be placed in the centerpiece to start the game. After we make the first move by playing in the middle, pretend that every other player at the table has also played. Once it's our turn again, we can see that the 3 we have can connect directly from the centerpiece because there is a double 3 in the centerpiece. This is what our next move should look like because the double 3 in the centerpiece matches with the double 3 at the end of the domino that we are branching off from. Imagine it's our turn again. We have 2 pieces that have the letter 8 on one of their sides that could match with the letter 8 coming from our line. I've chosen to go with the 8 with the 9 attached to it because 9 would help us get rid of more points at the end of the game. Imagine it's our turn again. Since we do not have another 9 to add to our chain, we have to draw from the pile. This is what I ended up drawing from the pile, and since it is again not a 9, we are now open on our line. Once our open to attack marker is applied to our chain, this allows any other player to play on our line if they wish to get rid of a 9. If a player plays on our line with a 9, the end of the chain is now a 1, so once it's our turn again, we can analyze if we can make a move. After looking at the 3 we have remaining, we do in fact have a 1, therefore we can play on our line again. Once it is our turn again, and if we decide to play on our line, our open to attack marker is now removed. Fast forward to our turn again. Since the end of our chain is yellow and we have a yellow, we can play again. Finally, if it's our turn again and other players still have dominoes in their hand, we can make our final move and win the round because our dominoes match up perfectly. This is what a basic chain would look like if you were to win a round of Hardtack Trenchfoot. Let's say hypothetically somebody did manage to get rid of all their dominoes whereas we still had 1. We would add up the total number on our domino, which is 15, and since we had the immunity card for the round, it would remain at 15, and that's what would get put on the scorecard. We really only ended up covering 1 round of Hardtack Trenchfoot. The game actually consists of 10 rounds, consisting with a starting point of 00, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, and 9. After round 1, the 00 tile will count as 50 points if it is left in your hand at the end of the round. Thank you for watching this demonstration on how to play Hardtack Trenchfoot. Have fun and play safe.